Hey beauties, so Sean is vacuuming because timing is everything. So I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this well, so if not, it'll be a talkover. So I'm sorry. No, I don't know. Maybe I'll wear this. I got this shirt from Express, so I really like it. I got a bunch of them. And Rach, you have this exact one because I saw you in it the other day. And it's super cute, but this is like a really deep V-neck. Like, you have to wear a tank top. Is there anything else that people do with these deep V-necks? Like, what else are you supposed to wear under this? But I've decided that I want to skip the bronzer and go in with the Sculpting Trio. So I have the Sculpting Trio in light. So I'm gonna use the Sculpting color and the contour side of the brush and give myself some cheekbones. Wouldn't that be nice? Because this is something we did not do in the 90s. Because we just had one-dimensional faces. If you look back at like any celebrity during that time, like Claire Danes or Britney Spears, we didn't know that when you used foundation and concealer and you really like white, you know, like kind of white out your face in a way, you take away all the dimension, all the shadow, you should probably add it back in. Otherwise you just look like a moon. Okay, so I'm gonna start off in my crease and on my lower lash line with Ferocious, which is one of the new metallics. And I'm gonna use my finger, which I know is not shocking. So these are actually pretty cool. They are, like the consistency is like in between the shimmer and matte cream eyeshadows. So it's not quite like a mousse, but it's not quite like a paint pot. It's like just in between. So obviously I like to take up a lot of the space that I have in between my eye and brow. Might as well use it. Got it all there. And obviously on the lower lash line as well. But I'm not going to go like into the inner corner with it. And then I will meet and like round off that edge. I just think that like rounded shape is more flattering to my like eye and facial area. Okay, I kind of look like I got punched right now, but give it time. Almost there. I really love Tenacious, which is like a bronzy gold, and then Elegant is like a nude gold, and those are both shimmers. So most of my brushes are dirty. Ow. It's on my list of things to do. All right, it'll happen. I'll do it. I do Tenacious, which is the more bronzy gold, toward the outer portion of my moving lid. I'm just using the crease brush for this. Kinda just blending that in. That's on the outer half. Then I'm gonna get another crease brush and go into the lighter one, Elegant, and put that on the inner portion. Also as like the inner corner highlight there. Just sort of blend them in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna put some more Tenacious on the outer edge, but I'm bringing it up like above the crease. Really pretty. And then I'm gonna do Polar, it's for you, Sue, if you're watching, on my lower lash line, which is a bright blue. Some more Ferocious on top of that to just sort of match it and tone it down a little bit. And then I'm gonna put this up here as well. Just sort of intensify this again. Now let's make the other side match. Okay, so I do want to do, sorry, I get distracted easily. I do want to do false lashes. I've really been liking them lately, so I'm going to do Ardel, just making up names now, the Ardel 131s. These are, it says they're natural, but they're not natural if you're like me and you have like 2 eyelashes. It's not a natural look. It's a pretty dramatic one, but it's really pretty. Like, worse than not being able to get either of them on would probably be being able to get one of them on. Like, one eye looks really great, but the other one... Okay, we're gonna move on to lips because time is running out. Okay, so I'm gonna do Plush as an outline and fill in. And I think I have to check which one it is. Lip gloss in Lunar, which is like a goldy color. Goldy. Or gold. I think I got it. I think I got it. I got it. Okay, so this is the finished look. So totally let me know what you think about these like really low V-neck. Like, is that what I'm supposed to do? Wear a tank top? Like, is there something else that people are doing that I just don't know about? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.